Towels smell a little musty. Yes, even after you have washed them, dried them, you still feel like they're a little hard, they're a little, stinky. It's probably because it's time to strip them. Now, I used to think just because I threw them in the wash machine, put them on that hot cycle, it was all good to go. And then they start feeling a little crunchy over time. Now I have learned that laundry stripping needs to be a part of my laundry routine. Especially after having kids, I realized how much buildup actually gets trapped into the fabrics as we use these towels on a weekly basis. So in this video, I'll walk you through how to strip your laundry. Very easy, beginner friendly, step by step, so you can refresh your towels and get them feeling back clean. So first things first, what is laundry stripping? So laundry stripping is actually a deep cleaning method that removes the detergent residue, the body oils, minerals from hard water, or even bacteria that you have in your fabrics. It's especially great for your towels, bedding, workout clothes, because y'all know you sweat and you're in that gym. Girl, I see you. But you have to strip those clothes because it'll help keep the towel and your fabrics and clothes, living longer. For me, towels are the number one thing that I strip because they hold on to everything: moisture, sweat, product buildup, and sometimes it can even be mildew. And who wants to dry off with that? What you're going to need is 3 simple ingredients: borax, washing soda, and your favorite laundry detergent that you use. I'll link mine below. Now this is real simple, okay? Real easy. Step 1, you're going to fill your bathtub or a large bin with hot water. Now I like to do this when I do my daily laundry washing in the morning. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, watch my video on my top 5 tips for getting motivated to do laundry when you're stuck, and you will see how I use habit stacking to do my laundry. Step 2, you're going to add a 1/4 of a cup of borax, a 1/4 of a cup of washing soda, and a 1/2 cup of your favorite detergent. Stir that all around until it dissolves, and then you're going to add to your towels. Yes, your clean towels, because this process is all about removing the buildup even after the regular wash. So you're going to already want your towels washed, and you're going to do this method afterwards. Let those bad boys soak for a good 4 to 6 hours. And during that time, you're going to want to stir it around to keep it moving and watch and see how gross this water gets. Look at that. Look how much came out. Look how much is left behind after washing your towels. You've got to do your laundry stripping. Now, after I soak these, I'm gonna wring them out really good. I like to use a laundry basket, take these bad boys over to my laundry room because I don't want to drip all that water everywhere. And then you're going to put them in your wash machine and go through your washing cycle as usual, and go ahead and dry them as usual. Fold them and put them away, and look how fluffy they are. Now, when it comes to how often you should strip your towels, I would say once every 1 to 2 months is plenty for most households. Another frequently asked question is, can I do this with color towels? As you can see from this video, yes. But I will say, depending on where you buy your towels from, if you want to feel more comfortable, do a color fastness test first. Pick a little spot of your towel to see if it's going to be okay. But for me, if it messes up the towel, I'm just going to buy another one, okay? I'm okay with it fading just a little bit, okay? Now, last question that you may have, can I strip my clothes too? And I'm saying absolutely, especially when it comes to workout clothes, because those things really get dirty with all the sweat from going to the gym or going outside running, whatever that you do. You want to strip those too to make sure you're getting all that, especially if how you have a t-shirt, you done put it in the wash and you see the nastiness underneath the armpit. You know what I'm saying? You want to get all that out. Go ahead and strip those clothes too. Even bedding bedding can be stripped as well. Just be careful if it's delicate items. So let me know down in the comments below, if you were to laundry strip your items, what item do you think would make the darkest water? Ooh, let me know in the comments below. And remember, keep your laundry routine simple, keep it cute, and keep it manageable. And if you need 15 tips to help make laundry easier, I got you, boo. Watch this video next.